Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the Ingram in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some unboxings for Record Store Day 2019 Black Friday. I'm doing titles that I've kind of been looking forward to for myself. This is The Doors, live at the Isle of Wight, 1970. 2-disc, number 2, 11,000. Okay, that's the back. No inserts, so there's a little bit of information on the back, but no insert. Nice polyline sleeve. Really clean looking vinyl. Got Bernie Grundman's initials in the dead wax, always a good sign. Real clean piece of vinyl on disc 2. Disc 1, really clean. Really curious of how this sounds. I was looking forward to this for a long time. This is a title that I've been waiting to have released for a long time. All right, The Doors, live at the Isle of Wight, Black Friday 2019.